Have you ever seen someone speak their truth without fear, or take a bold risk when everyone else hesitated? That, my friend, is audacity. And today we're diving deep into what it really means to live with audacity, and why it might just be the mindset you need to change your life. Audacity, the bold attitude that changes everything. Audacity isn't just about being loud or rebellious, it's about courage with a spark, the kind of boldness that turns fear into action. It's the nerve to challenge norms, to speak up when silence is expected, and to take that leap even when the odds are against you. Audacity is not arrogance, it's confidence fueled by purpose. People with audacity don't wait for permission. They create opportunities, they lead revolutions, and they make history. Think Martin Luther King Jr., Malala Yousafzai, or even Elon Musk. Their audacity changed the game. Fortune favors the bold. Latin proverb. But here's the catch. Audacity without respect can cross into rudeness or recklessness. When boldness lacks empathy, it turns into arrogance. That's not power, that's ego. True audacity walks a fine line. It's not about being fearless, it's about acting despite fear, with purpose. In today's world, playing it safe won't set you apart. Whether you're chasing dreams, starting a business, or speaking your truth, audacity is the fire that pushes you forward. Audacity isn't loud, it's decisive, it's authentic, it's the refusal to live small. Want to build your own audacity? Start here. Speak up, your voice matters. Take smart risks. Growth begins outside comfort. Stop asking for permission. Trust yourself. Embrace rejection. It's part of the journey. Surround yourself with bold minds. Courage is contagious. Audacity isn't about being perfect. It's about being bold enough to begin. So ask yourself, where could your life go if you had the audacity to try? Be bold. Be brave. Be audacious.